presenting Chongqing beyond boundaries, exploring China's most dynamic city. Welcome to our channel, where every journey is an adventure waiting to unfold. Join us as we venture into the heart of Chongqing, China, exploring its vibrant streets, rich culture, and hidden treasures. Get ready to be captivated by the charm of Chongqing like never before. Aerial view of Chongqing's skyline bustling with activity. Your passport to extraordinary destinations round the globe. Today, we invite you to join us on an exhilarating journey through the bustling streets of Chongqing, China. Scenes of bustling streets, vibrant markets, and iconic landmarks. From its lively markets to its towering skyscrapers, Chongqing is a city that pulsates with energy and excitement. Transition to scenes of local cuisine with close UPS of mouth-watering dishes. Indulge your taste buds in the flavors of Chongqing's renowned cuisine as we sample the spicy hot pot and savory street food delights that define this culinary capital. Scenes of cultural performances and traditional celebrations. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Chongqing as we witness traditional performances and colorful festivals that bring the city to life, highlighting the city's modern infrastructure and technological advancements. To explore the city's modern marvels, from its state-of-the-art transportation network to its innovative architectural wonders, scenes of locals go and about their daily lives, showcasing the city's vibrant community. Meet the friendly faces of Chongqing, then experience the warmth and hospitality that make this city truly special. Panoramic view of Chongqing's skyline at sunset. Unforgettable adventure through Chongqing, where every moment is an opportunity for discovery. Hello everyone, please be sure to subscribe and support our channel. Share it with your family and friends so we can continue to bring you exciting travel content from beautiful places and destinations. Stay tuned and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more upcoming updates and videos. Thanks for watching.